Hey everyone, this is ARCHIT MANGRULKAR, roll number 20MA20009 from section 11. I am a student at IIT Kharagpur in the first year Department of Mathematics, and today I'll be showing you my DIY project submission, which is an enter combination game created in Tinker CAD. In this game, we have three blue LEDs connected to the digital pins number D7, D8 and D9. I have written the code in such a way that it generates three random numbers between 7 and 10 using the random function and correspondingly lights the blue colored LEDs. We need to look at the order of the LEDs lighting and enter the order from our keyboard as an attempt password. The Arduino program will take the input using the parse into function, and if our password matches with what was the actual order of LED lighting, then we would see the green colored LED light up, and we would also hear a musical tune playing through this piezo speaker. But if our password does not match with the actual orders in which the LEDs light up, then we would see an alarm being raised here, the piezo speaker, and also simultaneously the red colored LED lighting up. Now coming to the circuit part, first I connected the ground of the Arduino to the cathode of 4 LEDs via the breadboard. Next, I connected the anode of the blue LEDs to the digital pins 7, 8 and 9 via the breadboard and resistors of value 2 kilo ohm each. Now I made connections of the green LED with the piezo speaker and multimeter in series and back to the digital pin 13. Similarly for the red LED, I connected the D4 digital pins with an oscilloscope that will plot the current time graph and a piezo speaker to play the alarm sound. The oscilloscope's negative terminal is connected to a potentiometer to adjust its volume by changing its resistance value. Coming to the coding part of this project, we can see that first I've set the pin modes, digital pins 13, 9, 8, 7 and 2 in the output mode, and then I have generated three random numbers A, B and C using the random numbers. Each of these A, B, C can take a distinct value from 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Now in the same order, I lit up the LEDs connected to digital pins number 8, A, B and C. I had set the password as 100A plus 10B plus C, which means suppose the random numbers generated are 8, 7 and 9, then the password would be 879. And then I take using the serial available option, I take a variable input from the user using the parseInt function. Now I check that if the variable entered matches with the password or not. If it matches, I set the digital pin 13, which is connected to the green LED to high and play the musical note via the piezo speaker. But if it does not match, I will set the digital pin D2 connected to the red LED to high and at the same time play a noise for 500 milliseconds for 4000 milliseconds via the piezo speaker. Now let's simulate this. Start simulation. Code. And the first LED has lit up, number 7. Second LED, third LED, 779. Who's went to the pass at 779. Here it shows that input value does not match with the password, which means that we did not enter the correct order in which the blue LEDs had appeared. And hence we can see that the green LED had glowed, the red LED had glowed, and at the same time a noise had been produced by the piezo speaker. Now let's simulate this again. The first LED has moved, second LED has moved, the third LED has moved. Okay, now suppose we enter 788. we have stopped the simulation. Now, we could see that in this case, we entered the correct order in which the LEDs lit up. So, hence the green LED which was here, according to the program circuit, this green LED lit up, and we could see the ampere reading of the current in this multimeter, and the musical tone could be heard through this piezo speaker. Now let's go to the Arduino ID and see if this code compiles successfully or not. This is the Arduino ID, and this is the same code we had copied it from Tinker CAD. Now let us try to verify it. Compile. Now it has shown that it's done compiling, which means that our code will execute successfully without any errors. Thank you.